All right, so NIO continues to get hit. We just keep dropping. Honestly, I would not be surprised if NIO goes back down to $3. It's going to get worse before it gets better in my opinion, but only time will tell. So two things I want you to be aware of with NIO. So NIO has temporarily paused production at two plants due to local COVID restrictions. That hurts. That means less cars made, less cars sold, and that will hurt our crappy stock price right now. Uh, just don't be surprised if it continues to go down. So, on a more beneficial note, let's take a look at NIO's October sales. So, NIO said that it delivered 10,059 vehicles during the month of October, and the total year-to-date deliveries up to 92,493. That's pretty awesome. And you have to remember we're still at the infancy stage. Tesla didn't dominate and do amazing far later on in their life. So if you look at NIO's October 2020 or 2021 deliveries, it only had 3,667 vehicles. So to be up to 10,000 a year later, that's more than double. That's pretty awesome. It should be way higher, but you have to remember China is struggling. You should probably watch some videos on how China's economy is right now. It's probably going to be a long time before NIO gets at an awesome price. And that sucks because I need that money now. But overall, it's a long play, and let's hope that NIO goes up. But like I said, don't be surprised if it just continues to drop. So, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.